how to post videos on Pinterest. So if you want to post videos on Pinterest, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the stable internet connection, you need to open up your Pinterest. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now from here, you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. And after that, go with pin, which is on the bottom left. And here you will have your photos and videos. So you just need to simply go and select any photo or a video. After that, go with next, which is on the top right. And after that, if you want to crop it, you can go and just edit that post. Go with next, which is on the top right. Select your cover and then enter your title, the description. If you want to add any link, then you can also add some link and pick a board and tag topics, schedule, and you'll also have the advanced settings option. So after doing all of these, you need to just simply go with create, which is on the bottom right. Once you go with create, it will be posted on your Pinterest. That's how you can post videos on Pinterest, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.